Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add anchor links in Mailchimp. If you've ever wanted to make your Mailchimp emails more interactive, letting your readers jump straight to different sections with just a click, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add anchor links quickly and confidently to any Mailchimp campaign, making your emails way easier to navigate. Alright, let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by heading over to the Mailchimp website, so open up your favorite web browser and type in mailchimp.com. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. This is where all your email magic happens, so if you haven't already created a Mailchimp account, you'll need to do that first, but I'm guessing most of you are already set up. Once you're in Mailchimp, look up towards the top menu and click on Campaigns. This is where Mailchimp keeps all your ongoing and drafted email campaigns. Think of it as your project dashboard. If you're not seeing any campaigns yet, don't worry. You can always create a new one by clicking the Create Campaign button. For today, though, let's keep things simple and pick an existing campaign to work with. Now find a sample campaign you'd like to use. Maybe you've got a newsletter draft or an old campaign you just want to experiment with for practice. Select that campaign by clicking on it. This brings you into the campaign editor, basically your creative playground for designing emails. Next up, you'll want to hit Edit Design. This button should be nice and visible, usually toward the right-hand side. Clicking on this will open up Mailchimp's drag-and-drop editor. Here, you can make changes to the way your email looks, including adding text, images, buttons, and you guessed it, anchor links. Now, let's talk about adding those anchor links. In Mailchimp, the process is a little more streamlined than it might be in, say, coding your own HTML email, and that's part of what makes Mailchimp so user-friendly. All you need to do is locate the social content block in the editor panel. You'll probably see it grouped with other types of blocks like text, image, or button. With your mouse, click and drag the social block right into the part of your email where you want the anchor link to live. Drop it right into the design just like that. Mailchimp's drag-and-drop editor makes this step super simple. Once you've added the social block, you can edit it to include links that point to different sections within your email, functioning just like an anchor link would on a web page. If you're new to anchor links, think of them as little teleports inside your email. Readers can click on a link at the top and instantly land further down, maybe in a special offer or contact us section. It's a small touch, but it keeps your emails tidy and super reader-friendly. And believe it or not, that's all there is to it. Once you've dropped in the social block and adjusted your links, you're done. Anchor links are active and your email's navigation just got an instant upgrade. If this is your first time doing it, don't worry if it feels a bit weird at first. It gets easier every time you build a new campaign. So that's how you add anchor links in Mailchimp step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions, maybe ran into a snag or want to share your own tips, drop a comment down below. And if you want more simple tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.